Sa snow plants. With the yogurt. And nakarating na tayo dito sa Prince George. And so mainit din. Hindi malamig. So it's nice. Mas mainit dun sa sa San Francisco. Hindi sa San Francisco. Ano nga dun eh. Parang 17 degrees lang. So sa Sacramento tayo nagstay. Sa Rocklin. Yan. Shout out sa Auntie Irene, si Uncle Noel, tsaka yung po nila. Si Michael and Skyler and Squisia. Shout out. Yan ang pag-ano din niya. Ay, tinanggal na niya. Isa lang pala. Basura. Nagwaan. Yan, good morning sa inyo. It's July 9th na. And we're going to work. It's 13 degrees sa labas. And yan. It's gonna be rainy, overcast day today. Still there? Yeah, I'm gonna go this way. Stay right. Stay to my right. We're gonna cross here. Hold on. We're gonna cross. Hello. Where are you? Yeah. This way? Yeah, off-road here. Here. Careful. Right? You good? You good? You go first. I see you. Just don't go right in the edge. I think they're pouring cement in here. Huh? Can't hear you. Yeah, if you want. Yeah. Stop there. Yeah, they changed it. Somebody burned this thing here before. And then on there, three good. Oh yeah, I was gonna buy something. Go. Okay, come on. Go first. Go first. Go first. Go first. Huh? It's not working? Your helmet is not tight. You didn't tighten your helmet. You should tighten it, man. Come here. Come here. Later. Come here. Yan, dito tayo sa ospital. Nagpakuha na naman ng dugo. Pangatlong beses na ata. Dahil sa white blood cell count ko. And mataas daw eh. Pang-apat na to. And then I think I was fighting infection dahil sa sprained ankle. Tapos ngayon yung uric blood cell count din titignan nila. Ngayon pagka tumatanda ka na, marami ka nang iniinda na nararamdaman. Gandang araw ngayon, Sabado, alas 11 ng umaga. May game ngayon ng ng Norway versus England, and then panoorin din natin yung Argentina versus Switzerland. Egypt sana yan. Nadaya ang Egypt. Yun yung controversial na ngayon nangyayari sa FIFA, kasi mawawalan sila ng ng mga sales ni Messi, mga jersey, kasi wala namang superstar sa Egypt eh. Pero talo na dapat ang Argentina. Ang ganda ng laban, 2-0 Egypt. Tapos dahil sa referee intervention nanalo ang team ni Messi na Argentina. Last year na kasi din ni Messi naglaro ng football. Magre-retire na rin siya, as well as Ronaldo. Kung walang competition, wala ring Ronaldo kung wala si Messi. Wala si Messi kung wala si Ronaldo. First time ulit bago tayo mag-workout na naman. Yan, dito sa Good Life. Tagal ko nang hindi nag-workout. So yan, dito tayo sa Prince George. Good morning. At tayo'y nag-enjoy sa magandang araw. Mainit, maaraw. At slow medyo ang sa field dahil walang mga school. So habang tayo ay naghihintay ng mga calls, standby, tayo mag-usap na lang muna. So ayun na nga, nagtaas yung home insurance. Magre-renew ng home insurance. Tinawagan ko yung ang insurance sa TD. Nag-umpisa 5 years ago, 2020, nung lumipat kami, is around $1,000 a year dito, Tapos it keeps on adding up. Naging 1,400 the next year, 1,600. Tapos yung from last year to 2026, magre-renew sa August naging 2,000. So magre-renew na naman ng after ng 1 year, another taas na naman, 2,400 something, 22 ata. Yeah, 2,422 for the next coming year. So sabi ko, bakit ganun? Tapos I will have to go and shop around for a better rate because it's gonna be too much. I'm gonna shop around sa iba pa pala. Hold on. What time is it? 3:40. I'm gonna go to Keith Meyer or Johnson, something like that here. Yeah. So pagka ganitong summer dito sa North BC, mainit ano? Sa east nga pala, sa Toronto, sa North Ontario, maraming forest fire. Parang lumilipat lang, oh. Tapos ngayon dito sa Edmonton, panay ang ulan naman. Dito, umulan din ng bago mag summer. Pero pag summer na, every 3 days yan ulan. Tapos ngayon maaraw, mainit. Ilang araw ng nasa this second day na o third day yata na close to 30 degrees. Yan, mainit. Tapos may humidity din, madaming lamok. Kaya ang sabi sa akin sa Vancouver wala masyadong lamok, kaya mas okay yung summer doon. Yung ambulance maingay. So RSP meltdown. Ang RSP meltdown, you have to use it first when you retire early, and I think you gotta convert it to RIF when you take the money off the RSP or RSP, kasi yun nata ang procedure, the way they track the taxes off. But you can only do a certain percentage, I believe, per year. I'm not sure if you're taking it sa before 60. Pero nakaset na ata after 60, and then if you don't touch your RSP by 71, your government has enforce you to take a certain percentage off. Tapos pagka hindi mo nagamit yung mga the rest, may death tax penalty ata yun. There's a book called Die with Zero, Perkins, I think, Bill Perkins, I think the author's name is, yun, sabi niya, live your life, invest in experience. Yung natin dito sa earth, it's not about just working and working. You have to enjoy your fruits of your labor, right? So kaya kailangan hindi lang puro trabaho, stress din ang kinahinat na ng mga paglagi lang nagtatrabaho. So yan, kailangan tayo planado ang ating buhay. Sometimes they said spontaneous event or experience is better. Yeah, I agree when you're young, but once you're in the older stage, I think you have to plan everything, not just your experience, your life, your retirement, lahat yan, taxes. It's optimize yung ating pamumuhay dito sa daigdig. So yan, I'm worried dahil sa maybe ngayon is summer, I'm trying to enjoy it, but my partner is always at work, even in this summertime, and a lot of people are enjoying. So I'm gonna see if I can enjoy it myself pagka nasa lower mainland, because right now I can't even plan ahead with all the kids and all the bayarin sa mga bills. Yan, bills. So yan. Ang grabe ang hail. Lakas ng hail. Insurance din yan. May tatanungin din ako sa home insurance. Nagre-renew kami yung insurance ng bahay din. Nagpapakot ako dito dahil nagmahal. Tayo ng DQ. Kunin natin ang rewards. Tapos ang maya sa Tim Hortons, manlilibre yan yung taong yun. Magdadrive siya, nagpa-practice siya. Right. Sa truck pina-insure namin. Mas murang truck na luma. Hindi naman, like $94 per month. Third party liability. Hindi na full coverage dahil luma na naman yung truck. Pero maandar pa rin. Maganda pa rin yung takbo ng makina. 8-cylinder siya. Malakas pa rin yung power niya. Walang katao-tao sa labas. Kakaulan lang eh. Dito, ito yung VLA. Ano sinasabi nila? Veterans Land Act. Yung mga veterans ng World War II ata. Parang dito muna sila tumira. So, parang sinasabi nila ito yung ghetto. Ghetto. Yeah, but it's not really ghetto compared to the US ghetto. Nandito yung bale McDonald's. Kasya ka dyan. Ngayon, may camera tong Le Mans Sport. Classic car. Muscle car yan. Na 1960s pa ata yan. Uso yan dito sa North BC. Yan, so order tayo sa DQ ng food. Pero dito tayo sa Tim Hortons. Bumili ng drinks. Orange light there.